T-Mobile hotspot devices like the Inseego 5G MiFi M2000 and older 4G models can experience issues requiring a reset. There are two main types: soft resets, also called restarts, and hard resets, which are factory resets. A soft reset is like restarting your computer. It clears temporary memory and refreshes connections without deleting your settings. For newer 5G models, hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until it powers off. For older 4G models, unplug the device and remove the battery briefly. A hard reset wipes all custom settings, restoring the device to its original factory state. This is useful for forgotten passwords or persistent errors. Always back up your data first. You can do this by holding the reset button, a small pinhole, for 10-20 seconds until the lights flash, or through the device's web portal if you can access it. For a soft reset, start by powering off the device using the appropriate method for your model. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until it powers off. Wait about 30 seconds before turning it back on. If you can access the T-Mobile app, you can also initiate a restart remotely. For a hard reset, locate the reset button, usually a small hole you'll need a paperclip to press. With the device powered on, press and hold the reset button for 10 to 20 seconds. The device should reboot and return to its factory settings. Remember to reconfigure your Wi-Fi password and other settings after a hard reset. A common issue is performing resets during firmware updates, which can brick your device, so ensure no updates are in progress. If problems persist, consult T-Mobile support for model-specific instructions.